How to fix Instagram app video call black screen problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it, simply scroll below and then tap on general. Now from here, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside the iPhone storage, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, simply tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once you are done, simply head back to your home screen and then open up App Store. Now once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Instagram. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once the Instagram is updated, head back to your home screen and then check your network connection, as a slow or unstable network connection can cause issues during video calls, so make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data to test if the connection improves. Now once you are done, simply check for system updates. For that, open up settings. And once you are inside settings, simply tap on general. From here, tap on software updates. Now in this section, check if there is any new updates available. If you find one, simply tap on update and let your system update to its latest version. And once you do so, simply head back to your home screen and then see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, loud press Instagram, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once the Instagram is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application again. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.